Health to Life News.
Having a dog around the house may help keep your baby from wheezing, a new study shows. The study showed that infants who lived in a house with a pet dog experienced fewer wheezing episodes during the first year of life than those who lived in homes without dogs. Researchers say the results support the so-called hygiene hypothesis, which holds that exposure to bacteria early in life reduces the risk of developing asthma later in life. In the study, researchers measured levels of a basic component of dust known as endotoxin in the homes of 367 one-year-old children in the Cincinnati area. Endotoxins are found in household dust and are a part of bacteria that play a role in triggering asthma in children and adults. Pet dogs were in 40% of the homes evaluated. The study showed that these homes also had the highest levels of endotoxins. But researchers found that wheezing among the infants was less common in the homes that had pet dogs. Specifically, 18% of infants who lived with a dog experienced 2 or more wheezing episodes in the past 12 months compared with 26% of infants who didn't have a pet dog at home. The results of the study were presented this week at the annual meeting of the American Academy of Asthma, Allergy, and Immunology in San Antonio.